मैं डॉक्टर अशोक कुमार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी एज वेल एज इंडस्ट्रियल फिश एंड फिशरी, गंगा सिंह कॉलेज छपड़ा, running under JP University Chhapra. Yesterday I had already explained you the problem of overfishing. In overfishing is too much fishing. It means too much fishing, excessive fishing or heavy fishing. Now today I will end with, there are so many losses due to this overfishing, and there is a threat of extinction of valuable variety, desirable variety, such varieties which are economically, commercially important, and they are being and in future a stage of extinction may occur. So for overcoming the problem of this overfishing in our seas, in Bay of Bengal as well as in Arabian Sea, measures should be employed for restricting the overfishing for heavy sea. So I am going to explain this. What should be the measure? What are the measures to overcome the problem of overfishing? First thing is limiting the size of the net as well as mesh size of the fish. Limiting the size of the net means not very large size mesh, not very large size net, and the mesh size should be very large, so that a small fishes may escape from the capture. A small fishes may escape from the capture, and those small fishes will remain in seawater, and they will develop and become adult. So fishing should be done by large mesh-sized net, and the net should be so. It is an important. A smaller juveniles can escape capture. It is necessary for trout fishing and fishing with purse seine. Purse seine is a net which appears like purse, and with the gears the fishing process is operated in the sea under that circumstances, so it is limiting the size of the net. Net should be also small, but mesh size must be large. Second is limiting the number of fishing vessels, limiting the operation of fishing vessels and gears operating in a given area. That is, suppose what happens once it is going to if the fishing vessel used to operate fishing from the sea 5 times a day or 4 times a day, it must be reduced to 2 times or 1 time, only once in a day. And that is also limiting the number of fishing vessels and gears in a given area. This in recent years, along the Kerala coast, over exploitation, overfishing, heavy fishing is occurring. Hence, overexploitation is not good for the marine fishery, resources, for the marine, for protecting the marine fishery resources. Third is limiting the total quality of fish captured by all the fishing units in a given area. Total quantity, limiting the total quantity of fish means the fishers must be directed to go twice or thrice, and they have only if they catch 5 tons, so a limit must know it should not be 5 tons. It should not be 5 tons. It must be 1 ton. In one day, you are only directed to capture 1 ton of fish from the 1 ton of the fish from our marine resources. So, total quantity of fish captured must be limited by fishing in a given area. Next is modification and restriction of certain types of gears. Certain types of gears are operated, and such gear and such fish size groups. So, for reducing the capture of such fish size groups which need protection, that is, small juveniles should be protected, spawning individuals should be protected. So during spawning season, a ban is must for restricting the overfishing. So in breeding season, after breeding season, the catch may be beneficial, but during breeding season, because it should be avoided. Fishing should be avoided. Some fish need protection, that is small juveniles and spawning adults. So they need closure of certain fishing areas in some season. In some season means in breeding season, closure of fishing should be must. For especially in breeding season, closure of certain fishing areas. In such, there should be a direction that you have not to go for fishing in a particular area, in that area. Because next is the restriction of fishing only to some parts of the year. Suppose from July, August, September, it should be restricted. In some areas, in other area, it should be restricted in September, October, November. In other area, it should be restricted. Fishing should be restricted in November, December, January. So, in this way, it should be restricted fishing only to some parts of the year. Next is restriction of size and quantities that can be marketed. So, this measure is possible in developed countries where wholesale markets are centralized. As centralized wholesale market will accept only adult fishes, only table size fishes, they will not accept the small fishes. Hence, nobody will fish the juveniles, advanced fingerlings, or grow out fishes. So, the next is protection of individuals based on age and sex. For example, protection of youngs, protection of youngs, protection of females, of whales, that require that is extremely required, because if protection of females is not done, the time will come when there won't be the abundance of females, and ultimately the whales will disappear from the sea. So these things are important for measuring the problems of overfishing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.